In North Idaho, your roof takes a beating. Look at what happens during a freeze-thaw cycle. Heavy snow melts into small crevices and refreezes. The ice expands, prying apart solid materials from the inside out. That leaves you with a tough choice. You can wait until a water stain shows up on your ceiling, or you can risk a steep, slippery climb to check for damage yourself. If you treat a roof as an asset you install and ignore, those small freeze-thaw cracks will spread. Water gets into the decking, rots the wood, and turns a small isolated repair into a massive replacement bill. But grabbing a ladder in January is equally dangerous. Hitting frozen asphalt shingles with a shovel shatters them, and a slip on an icy pitch can send you straight to the hospital. There is a safer way. You need a predictable, seasonal routine, a set of visual checks you perform strictly from the safety of the ground. Because the true cost of a roof in this climate is the compounding price of ignoring that routine. We can measure roof care using this simple chart. The horizontal axis tracks the physical effort you put in, and the vertical axis tracks your financial risk. Walking around your house in the fall to check for clogged gutters sits right here in the bottom left. It takes almost no effort and carries zero risk. Chopping a block of ice off your eaves in the middle of winter lands up in the top right corner. It requires intense physical effort and spikes your risk of causing expensive damage. Investing a few hours of predictable time in the mild months cancels out the need for those dangerous winter emergencies entirely. Finding a single lifted shingle in October lets you seal it back down early. That keeps moisture completely away from the structural roof deck, the insulation, and your drywall. Homeownership in North Idaho means making a clear trade. You spend a little time observing in the fall and spring, so you avoid thousands of dollars in failure during the winter. This routine starts right after the snow melts with a spring post-winter audit. You walk the perimeter of your house, look up to spot any visible issues, and safely clear out the branches and pine needles left behind in your gutters and roof valleys. You are specifically looking for shingles lifted by heavy winds, pieces of bent metal flashing, or gutters that pulled away from the fascia under the weight of the snow. Spotting a detached gutter now gives you time to resecure it before heavy spring rainstorms push water straight into your exterior walls. When summer hits, the threat shifts from ice to intense heat. Safely pop your head into the attic to check for a musty smell or trapped moisture. While you're at it, trim back any tree branches hanging too close to the roofline. Balanced airflow in the attic stops extreme temperatures from cooking your asphalt shingles from the underside and making them brittle. Spring and summer are about diagnosing the trauma of the previous winter and making sure your roof can handle severe thermal stress.
This cross-section shows the most vulnerable part of your roof. Fall is your last and most critical window to prepare it. You need to deep clean your gutters, verify your pipe boots aren't cracked, and make sure your downspouts flow away from your foundation. Timing is everything. You have to execute this after the last pine needles drop, strictly before the first hard freeze hits. If debris blocks this path, melting snow pools up and refreezes. That ice dam forces water backwards, up under the shingles, and rots out the wood beneath. Leaving your drainage pathways blocked in November mathematically guarantees structural water damage during the winter thaw. Once the snow arrives, you switch entirely to a strict watch and wait protocol. Observe your roof edges for ice dams, check your attic for frost on the nail tips, and watch for any areas of the roof sagging under heavy snow. Never use sharp tools like shovels or ice picks on a frozen roof, and do not attempt to walk on steep, icy pitches. You have to tolerate the anxiety of watching ice build up, because trying to break it off yourself destroys brittle shingles and risks a lethal fall. Severe weather is the one variable you can't put on a calendar. High winds and hail can strike at any time. When a storm passes, immediately take time-stamped photos from the ground. Document shingles blown into the yard, fallen tree branches, and any new dents in your gutters. Those photos prove to your insurance company that a sudden act of nature caused the damage, rather than years of homeowner neglect. Winter and storm recovery are tests of discipline. Success relies on meticulous documentation and observation, while physical intervention must always be outsourced. This scorecard shows how to interpret warning signs. Isolated issues, a cracked pipe boot, loose flashing, or minor gutter separation, trigger a professional repair. But recurring heavy ice dams, widespread granule loss, or rotting decking cross the threshold into full replacement.
Executing your seasonal maintenance gives you the data you need to catch a cheap repair before it stealthily grows into a mandatory, expensive replacement. The rules are simple: inspect early from the ground, keep your water pathways clear, and strictly avoid icy pitches. When your visual check uncovers an active failure point, professional tools and training are legally and structurally required to fix it safely. For homeowners in Coeur d'Alene, Post Falls, Sandpoint, Hayden, Rathdrum, Athol, Spirit Lake, and the surrounding communities, you have local support. Reach out to SkyRight Roofing and Gutters. They execute seasonal maintenance reviews, assess storm damage, and provide clear consultations on repairing versus replacing. Do not wait for water to drip through the ceiling to dictate your timeline. Secure your roof with a professional inspection before the next North Idaho weather cycle begins.